Are you warmed up?
Woo! Yeah. I'm just gonna do like a small trick right here.
All right, guys, we're very excited to be here in Brooklyn, New York with
John Reyes.
John Reyes.
What's up?
He is the world's best scooterer, and we flew him out today from, where did you come from?
Right here.
Brooklyn, New York.
Put down my board every time.
He's so not excited, but I'm excited. We're gonna play Skateboard. What is it? We don't know. Basically, we do a Rochambeau, and then you do a trick, and then we try and do a trick. But we try and do the same trick. Either it's there or it's not, and if we land it, we don't get a letter. If we do, we letter it.
You substitute like kick flip for tail whip, like tray flip for double whip, like shove it for like bar spin, 3 shove, double bar.
Something like that.
Yeah.
He's played this before, clearly.
Yeah.
Clearly.
Something like that. Okay, I guess we just go. We just launch into it, see what happens. We're doing on 3.
All right.
Ah! Okay, who goes first? Okay, I'm gonna start it off with a good trick right here. You ready?
Kick wasn't switch, right? No?
Wasn't switch.
Okay.
Dang! He caught it like this high. John.
What's up? I should do something?
Do a trick.
I'll try this. There has to be an equivalent, right? So what was
Double
the trick?
whip?
Double whip?
Double whip?
Alright.
Miracle whip.
Wow.
Too easy. Where'd this guy come from? I can't wait till it's his turn and he does backflips.
Is it whole park?
Yeah.
Yeah. Wherever you want. Yeah,
Full
go.
park.
Yeah, what do you mean? You can just...
Are you warmed up?
I hate jumping stuff.
You hate jumping stuff.
I hate
This is perfect.
Sometimes Nigel's just a mean guy.
My heart was racing. I don't like jumping stuff at all. Alright, no more jumping stuff.
I don't want to give you any hints, but maybe a backflip, flare, backflip,
You can go upside down.
whatever you want.
Okay.
That's the point. That's the point, dude.
Alright. Can you guys manual on skateboards?
No.
Okay, so I'm doing one.
What? Hey! Chris?
I'm just gonna do like a small trick right here, just really low.
Really small trick right here, really low. We got that!
You're good. Hold it.
Land it. Hold
Land
it.
it.
Get it. No, don't put it down. Don't put it down.
Bodied! We'll take a letter.
Yeah.
So you said double whip is tray flip.
Yeah.
What's the triple whip?
540 flip.
Oh god.
Triple whip? Okay. Who's got 540 flip out the bank?
If you do it flat, then I'll give it to you.
If you can do it on flat, I'll give it to you. You want to go down? You want to go up? You want to go up? You want to go up, Uzi?
This is your weakness. I want you to at least try it.
Me?
Very simple.
Chris is doing it.
Okay, well, the person I know can do this is John Hill. Told you. First try! Dang. Let's see if I can do this.
It's not fun. You guys are too good. I thought it'd be like, oh, I could do some stuff that everybody's landing everything.
Dang! I knew you had it.
My board doesn't slide on there at all. Yeah, it doesn't slide on here.
Wall ride? You guys like wall rides? I'll do a wall
Nigel
ride.
does. Who's got that? McNutt? Whoa!
I'm gonna grind this rail to manual and then hop onto that ledge.
Okay.
So that's it.
Who's got this? Let's go, team!
Going so fast.
All right, choose wisely, because we're just about to take you out.
What would be a finger whip? Finger flip?
Finger flip, yeah,
You guys can do that?
yeah. What in the world? His face. Do we count that? Leave it in the comments below.
This is endless.
It is
So
endless.
Alright.
Woo! I fear for McNugget on this. Whoa, dang!
That was so sick.
That was epic.
I don't want to mess up. You guys are gonna start jumping off stuff.
He doesn't want to mess up, so he jump off stuff.
I don't like doing that.
I feel you. He's got nothing.
I'm trying to keep it that way. I don't want to jump off stuff. You guys are sending
Good.
We need John Hill. Watch. He did
No,
it.
dude,
He
no.
got him.
Yesterday on the way to the meet and greet, he literally just casually ollied up a four stair.
Yeah, boy.
I'm so nervous.
Don't be nervous.
I'm nervous. I don't want to fall.
It's just the fate of the free world.
Can I borrow 4 of your skateboard decks?
Yeah. John, warm your legs up, boy. Warm your legs up.
Oh!
Oh my.
Oh!
I wasn't
He
thinking. I
was
wasn't
sitting
prepared.
down.
I'm sorry.
It's okay. Man, he's skunking us.
I wonder if this happens to him at every skate park.
Oh wait, here he goes.
I can't.
I love how he does it so easy. Just like, ding.
That is way easier for him than an ollie is for me.
Yeah. Do you think Nigel has this?
Good!
That was wild.
Wow.
I love that trick.
You know these guys too, so you could be like my secret weapon.
I could be. I already know what would get on
We
the
should go
slider.
talk.
We can't backflip. That's what we can't do.
He skates that like flat. I know that, and we don't. Like out of the bank.
Let's talk.
I don't know. Do you? I don't want to cheat.
Wait, what do we got? We only have 2 letters left, and he has no letters.
Yeah. Okay. We deemed tail whip kickflip already.
All right, go ahead, John.
No, wait.
Out of the bank manual, hop up manual, drop down manual, and then you guys can like stall on this and then drop down to hubba.
Okay. I see
So you
what you're
can
saying.
get onto hubba somehow.
Who does he think we are?
You know he's done flare manuals, right?
No.
Okay. So it's gonna be hard to go slow enough. Oh god. So manual. So we both try.
Yeah.
Then just go down. Go try again.
That's my boy! That's my boy! Woo!
Center.
Leonard! trying to do the most extreme manual ever attempted on a scooter. The entire park. There he goes. Manny. Oh, around some people. Look at this guy. He's not letting down. Nope. Got him. I don't know, he's running out of speed though. Might be running out of speed. Oh! Too easy. Too easy. Here goes McNugget. He's up. He's going. Oh, he's got this. He just needs speed. Oh no, the speed! Turn it! Oh! I can feel it.
Wait a second, question.
I knew he was gonna
What
win
if I
it.
do it on a scooter?
Yeah, we'll count it.
That counts. If he does it on a scooter, it counts.
You can do the back. Alright, let me try on a skateboard.
He lost his hat. Wow, thank you for coming out.
It was a mission to get here.
I'm sorry we had to beat you so badly. I mean, it's really embarrassing to be in your shoes at this moment in time. But you killed it anyways. You killed it anyways.
Appreciate it. Thank you.
If you guys have not seen John's channel, you should go and check it out. The link is in the description below right now, so you can go down there. And he makes awesome videos. So check it out. And thank you again. That was really awesome. You absolutely crushed it.
I was so nervous the entire time.
You were
I
not.
had the whole squad against me.
That's true.
It's over.
It's over.
It's over.
It's over now. Check out all those videos right there. Subscribe, like, leave a comment below. And you, yes you, learn to ride a skateboard. It's fun. And you'll have fun.